Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning. Shout out mga viewers, followers, subscribers. Den Sky TV. Dito tayo ngayon sa SM City ng Davao City. SM City. SM City ng Davao City. Yan, no?
Rojas Avenue.
Guys, good morning guys. Biyaheng probinsya naman guys.
Mas malibayo ng Pasko karon sa
Biyaheng probinsya naman tayo guys. Punta tayo ng Surigao guys.